And we're back.
We're back, and as we promised, we're making you another video here with Taz. Taz, can you say hi to them? Say hi. Look over there, say hi. He's being a little shy today. Well, I finally pulled the trigger on my retirement. The last day was Tuesday, and clocked out from work at 3:33 and 33 seconds. I don't know if that means a whole lot, but I thought it was kind of a lucky number. Things are progressing. We're seeing, since we've been manifesting, we've noticed that things are moving faster.
Faster than we can move.
We got the mortgage payment started going up again, over $200 a month.
Along with taxes.
Along with our taxes going up, the insurance on the house going up, our repairs, we're getting repairs out of hand. Between the rains and the wind.
The universe is saying go. God is saying it's time to go.
Everything's saying get on the road. So we're trying to get everything ready. We're downsizing, so we're going to be doing a lot as far as getting stuff out of the house while trying to work on the RV at the same time. Get it completely ready to go. Mosquitoes. But we're ready to get on with our life and enjoy the rest of our retirement. And we're going to take you guys along on the trip. Hopefully, you know, we'll be able to give you some quality videos here. I know in the last video, I actually told you guys that I was going to tell you what we used to clean the roof, and it's a 30-second outdoor cleaner. I got it, I believe I got this at either Walmart or Lowe's. I'm not positive on which one, but it says you don't have to use a pressure washer, and I believe it. I did use one because it's got an attachment on it to where I could suds it up. So I used that in the low pressure setting, and I mean the old black pollen that was stuck to the roof come right off, and in no time the whole roof was clean. I had it all clean about 30 minutes, shiny, and it was ready to reseal. I couldn't find the can for the resealer, but I was able to buy it at the RV store here in town. So I'd recommend something like that for your roofs. Other stuff going on. We've got our roses are blooming, our trees are blooming, everything's...
The grapes are blooming.
Grapes are blooming, fruit trees are growing great. You know, we've had a lot of rain lately, so a lot of stuff's been going on. We did have a few tiles a little while back blew off our roof because of the winds,
but we didn't panic. Usually I would panic. I didn't panic.
We had some extra tiles laying around that we saved from the last time it was done, so I was able to get up there and slide them in and fasten them down and everything. So we got all that done. We've got most of the stuff for the solar. I've got a few more things I need to buy, so I'm going to be doing that pretty soon. That's going to come up. I'll try and film that and show you my process on that. got other things that we're going to set up inside. We've kind of decided that the shower is taking up too much room of available space, so
Taz,
we're going to take and make that a spot for our mini fridge and some extra storage instead. We've got several projects going, but we hope we document it all for you guys and keep on manifesting.
but it's going quick, and
Yeah.
I'm learning how to detach really fast, real fast.
Learn to detach from what you asked for. You know, don't keep
A tight grip.
a grip on it.
It's like the song from 38 Special. If you hold on too tightly, you're
Hold
gonna
on
lose
loosely.
control. Yeah.
I found that when it comes to manifesting, if you do it once and then let it go, what you asked for. Otherwise, each time you go back in, it resets it. It's just going to take that much longer for it to come through. I think that's where people kind of go wrong with their prayers, because you're supposed to ask and believe it's been given and then basically let it go. So that's where we're at here. We done ask the universe for what we want, God, source, Great Spirit, whoever you want to call it, and the opportunity's been given here. We're just working on what we need to do ourselves and let the universe take care of the rest of it for us. If you guys have any questions about what we're doing, or any comments, anything like that, we appreciate leave it down in the comment section down there. If you want to hit a like, I'm not going to bug you for it, but if you don't like it, get the hell out of here. No, seriously. So we appreciate you watching this far, and we hope you watch the whole video. As you know, Taz,
He's up in the motorhome.
He's up in
like
the motorhome,
he
ready to
can't get
go.
out.
He's ready to go. He's ready to get on the road and see the country with us. We're going to include him in some of the videos, and I think, yeah,
He's wanting us in the motorhome.
he wants us to go in there. He can't stand us being out here without him. So anyway,
But it's a journey. It's a journey.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's a little scary because we've been here so long, and now we just got to pick everything up and go. Sell a lot, leave family, even though our kids are grown.
yeah, that's, you start out thinking, oh yeah, I want the little house with a white picket fence and the 3 kids, and
The mortgage, a car payment,
Yeah,
the payment, keeping up with the Joneses.
everybody's got to spend, and it's just been a consumer issue. Everybody's just buying, and nobody's really.
Yeah, you buy, sell, start all over.
It's not like when we were kids and we were able to just go out and spend time out in the woods, camping, fishing, all that. When you're kids, you could just be gone all day playing and doing whatever you want. These kids nowadays, all they do is sit home and watch the video games, play video games, movies, scrolling TikTok.
They don't know what they're missing.
They don't know the fun that we had when we were kids, using our imagination. That's
And
kind
then
of,
when you grow up and you get a job, you forget how to use your imagination.
yeah.
That's another thing.
Between school and jobs, they take away your imagination, and that's what it takes to manifest things, is a very vivid imagination.
Delusional.
Yeah,
Delusional. You got to be delusional.
You got to know what you want, and that's the key, is knowing exactly what you want. Ask, or picture it in your mind as vivid as possible, and then let it go.
Because it is already done. We just got to believe that it's done.
And creation's already done.
And even though it doesn't show up out here yet, it's still done. You just got to keep the faith that it is and not give up. Not go back to, oh, it hasn't happened. Why hasn't it happened? Got to keep the faith. Because that happened to us.
Yeah.
And we got to remind each other.
And don't look for signs. They'll show up. You'll know they're a sign, but
don't question.
Don't look for them. They'll show up. They'll be obvious. Yeah, they'll slap you in the face sometimes. So it's just don't make a job out of it. Manifesting.
No. Let it be fun.
Let it be fun. The more fun you have with it, the more it starts rolling.
Crazier.
It'll start rolling for you, and things will start happening quicker and quicker. Start with small stuff and work your way up. It'll get big quick. But
it's a nice day.
It's a beautiful day out. No chemtrails in sight.
And we're learning not to look for them. Don't look, because if you look for them, you're going to see them. They'll show up in your reality.
Yeah.
They will.
We just imagine that there's no chemtrails, that we're out under the nice deep blue sky, just enjoying our best life. So we decided Taz decided he wanted to come visit.
He acted like he couldn't get out of the motorhome, but he knows how. He just wanted Mama to get him.
I wouldn't say he's spoiled.
He's spoiled. But yes, we've learned to know that everything is done and not to panic when it doesn't show up immediately. Even though time don't exist, it still takes time for it to show up in your reality. And don't panic, don't worry, don't give up. Because one day you'll be walking along and there it is. It's just, you're like, wow, I can't believe this. It's a wow moment. And it gets better and better and easier and easier.
Things will just appear magically that you wanted.
Literally.
Just out of nowhere. Somebody will hand you money out of nowhere. It's surprising what all happens.
And be grateful, thankful, grateful.
Free things will show up in the mailbox. You'll find checks, gifts. Yeah.
We're just ready to go out and see everything else that we created. I don't want to be stuck in one place anymore, in one town. We just want to go out and explore. I'm ready. I don't know about him, but I'm ready.
I'm beyond ready, so I'm ready to hit the fishing pond somewhere.
I'm ready to go to the ocean, the sand, the sun.
Anywhere but work. So.
Anywhere but here for now. We've been here long enough.
Yeah, too long. But we appreciate you watching, and we will try to get another video up as soon as we can. And everybody have a great day, and we will catch you later.
Bye.
Bye-bye. That's a picture of me right there.